Well, welcome back to Fargo Village here in Coventry for another open garage session with Falcon Tyres, who kindly sponsor it. So today we've gone for kind of Millenium Heroes. So we've got a nice Golf GTI over here. We've just had the kit arrive with the flashy lights and everything. Got the team from the Coventry University once again. People come and go, which is lovely. It's a nice busy day, which is lovely. A few more over, we've got Mini GP over here. We've got an M3, got an MGF, a Nissan over there as well. And then over here we've got the Dub Club in here. We've got a square back and a few more examples in here as well, tucked up in the box. But looking nice, all lined up together, which is nice. We haven't used the box before, so it's been good. Next one is called Party in the Rear, so we're looking for rear-wheel drive and rear-engined, mid-engined cars as the theme. But then we'll obviously throw in some of our friends as well, as always. Hopefully it'll be nice weather again and we'll enjoy it. So, yes, thank you for coming to Open Garage once again.